Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. If today is your first time visiting, please do well to subscribe. So today I'm going to talk about a very interesting tool you can use for live streaming. I know we are all familiar with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Meet, I think. Okay, but this tool is actually quite interesting and if not the best tool you can ever use. All right. So allow me to introduce you to StreamYard. Now, StreamYard is one of the easiest way you can create professional branded live stream. Remember, I said branded live stream. And I'm going to show you how. Now, before we go into the detail, the process of creating your live streaming and all that, let's look at the future StreamYard have. Okay, so why StreamYard? It's a platform for billions of people, right? As you can see. I mean, a platform that can actually give you the opportunity to do a lot of things from one place. You can live stream to multiple platform. You can do a guest interview. You can fully brand your stream. You can do a lot of things. Who can use it? The brands who wants to connect the global community, creators, leaders, even politicians, okay? Create, entrepreneurs who want to grow their business, religious services, people team, marketers, and a host of other people, right? Now, what features will these two have? First of all, you can host at least 10 guests. You can host at least 10 guests from the start, especially even with a free plan. Okay, you can host at least 10 guests, do an interview, podcast, and all that. Also, branding. You can brand your live stream the way you want. You want to show your branding, comments, and all that. So I'm going to show you how we can set this up. Okay, so follow me as I show you the process of setting it up. And the good thing with StreamYard is you don't need to download any software. That is why I love StreamYard. I mean, if you're like me, you know that it's not easy right now, this period, to have a lot of tools on your laptop or your mobile phone because of the space size. I mean, my phone is filled up because of too many apps, right? Same thing with my laptop. So right now, most tools I love to use are tools I don't have to download any software or any mobile app. And StreamYard is the best for you. Zoom, before you can use Zoom, you need to download the app. OBS, before you use OBS, you need to download the app as well. But StreamYard, you don't need to download the app. You stream everything online. So I'm going to show you how you can get this done, right? Okay, so first of all, if you are new, what you have to do is you click get started, right? So all you need to do to get started, just you know, type in your email, you click get login code, sorry, and a login code will be sent to your email address and you use it to log in. So the process of signing up wouldn't even take just less than 30 seconds. You already signed up. So already I have signed up, so I'll just log in. The same process of logging, you don't need password to log in. All you need to do is just put in your email and your login details will be sent to you. So a login details have been sent to my email. So let me check it out and get the login detail. So this is actually interesting because one, it's easier for you to access your StreamYard anytime you want. Second of all, not everyone is good in keeping password. I mean, you have a lot of accounts with different platforms with password, but this now, you don't need to, stress yourself with keeping your password. All you need is access to your Gmail and you have access to this too, right? Okay, so we click login. And one thing about this StreamYard is even if your internet connection is very low, you can still stream with it. Isn't that interesting? right? You can literally stream with this platform. So you don't need strong internet to use it, right? Okay, so look at how the platform is, right? So if you want to stream, first of all, create a broadcast. Now, if you want to create a broadcast, you have the ability to broadcast to 8 different platforms, social media platforms, live at once. Means you can broadcast on your Facebook page, your Facebook group, your Facebook profile, your Instagram, your YouTube, although that works for the paid plan. If you don't want to broadcast live, you can actually record your video and publish it later on your platform. So I'm going to show you how to broadcast live using one platform. Okay. So I'll click my personal Facebook profile. Then you put in your title, the title of your broadcast. So this is how to live stream with StreamYard. Learn how to live stream, right? Okay, so you can actually schedule later if you want to schedule your live stream, at least to inform your audience beforehand about your live stream. So you can click this schedule box, then you choose the date and the time of your schedule. Then if you want to, of course, since you're going to schedule a live stream, it is important you have a flyer, right? An image flyer that you can use to invite people to, notify people about the live streaming. So here you can upload it. But for this our video training, we're not going to use that. So we're going to remove this. So I'll just go straight to create broadcast. So we just have to wait a little while setting up our studio, our broadcast studio. You're on. So while you are entering this recording studio, right, you will see this part, right? You have to like check your camera and your mic, right? So you can test it if you want to mute your camera, if you want to stop your camera from showing, you can click it. If you want to mute your mic, and if you want to set it up, then here you can decide maybe you want to use an external camera. Okay, you can set the volume up here, or the same thing with your audio. If you want to use an audio, again. Okay, so as I was saying, if you want to record your screen, you can select your screen recorder, then you click share screen, right? Now you select the screen you want to share. Okay, so my YouTube is open, so I can go to, you can pick window if you want to share your window, right? Or you can choose your Chrome tab. Okay, so I'm going to select my YouTube channel to share. So this is what it means. It's going to share my YouTube channel, right? As you can see, this is my YouTube channel. By the way, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You find access to interesting tools that can make your business successful, that can help increase your business traffic growth and all that. So let's go back to StreamYard. As you can see, this is how it will appear while you're streaming. Okay, but if for some reason you feel that it is too small, the size is too small, you can expand it. You can choose to expand it. Why? Although you would disappear, you won't be shown, right? But if, for example, you have more than one person on your live stream, you can choose this other one. So it means you will appear, the other person will appear as well while you're, like streaming your site or your file or what have you. Okay, so excuse me. Aside that, we've talked about you can mute, stop your camera and all that, you can share, you can invite as well. Now this is where it gets interesting, right? With live streaming, you can see with this StreamYard, right? You can see, you can show live viewers comments. Yes, For instance, I'll click this to show the live viewers comment, as you can see. So let's mean that this means that if you have a lot of people viewing your content or your video and you want to, maybe they're asking questions or they're making a comment and you want to stream their comments, this tool is the perfect tool for you. As you can see, the comments of the person will be showing, right, while you are live streaming. Secondly, there is banner. Now, what it means that you can add other things like maybe breaking news, see how information is moving. If there's any information you want them to know, right? There will be something like this content moving, okay? Aside that, you can also want to add something like this. You want people to ask a question, or you want people to do a particular action, you can add on that kind of banner as well. So you can create as much banner as you want, although I think you can just use one at once. All right. Aside that as well, you can brand your live streaming. So you can decide on which color brand you want to use, maybe your company brand and others. You can decide on the design. Do you want this default? That is the thing, the way you want it to appear, the minimal, the bubble, or block, right? Then you can also add your logo. So now I'm using the free version. That is why you can see powered by StreamYard, right? So if you're using the free version, you cannot upload your own logo. Or when you use the paid version, you have access to upload your own logo instead of the StreamYard logo. And there's room for overlay. Overlay is like if you're talking about other things about your product, like they say you're live with. So if you want more information, I mean, you've seen videos where there are a lot of, you want more information on your live stream, like to actually make it look like real TV show. Here's an opportunity for you to get it done, right? You can upload your design your own overlay and upload it here as well. So what if you want a video clip countdown? You can also set it up here as well. So let's say, for example, you are live streaming, right? You are live streaming, you schedule your live stream, and it's almost time for it to start. While people are trying to join, you can actually use this countdown. While people are joining, they know that okay, very soon the live stream will stop, right? Of course, you can also design yours if you want, right? Or you have other clip you want to use instead of the countdown, so you can use that as well. Then the background, you can change your background or leave it the way it is, right? And of course, if you want to display your name, maybe the speaker's name, you just want it to be there permanently, you can enable it or otherwise disable it, okay? Then private chat. You can private chat your guests. You don't want it to be live, everybody to see your chat. You can actually private chat them here, right? And of course, you have the setting, it talks about the settings where you check your camera, your audio, your green screen, although here to include the access you give to your guests as well, right? And have general here. So there's a lot of things you can do with this tool. I actually love this tool, although I've been using OBS and Zoom, they're still okay, right? But I needed a tool that actually would give me an opportunity to like, you know, do a lot of things at the center, like streaming different platforms. Even though other platform does, I need to download the software to use it, but this one gives me access to like streaming directly from the site. Okay, so I don't need to download anything and all that. So after you must have set up the whole issue, all you need to do is just click go live. And once you set it up to those 8 platforms, right? The whole 8 platform now will be like streaming. People from different places will now be viewing your content and all that. So don't you think it's interesting? Don't you like this? I mean, I love this so much. Okay, so let's stop the screen sharing. Okay, and that is just the end. This is how the platform works, right? So now what we're going to do now, we're going to look at the pricing, because it's actually way affordable, not really expensive. If, for example, the free plan is not enough for you, you can actually go for the paid plan. So I'm going to look at it, right? Okay, then destinations where is streaming to. So I just use two of my accounts. You can add as much as eight. I only want to stream on my Facebook profile, personal profile, my Facebook page. Okay, so let's go back to the tool itself and let's look at the features the free plan has, the feature the paid plan have, and also the feature the other features in it. So let's look at the pricing. Now, if you look at the pricing now for the free plan, right? Once you're using the free plan, you have access to screen sharing, banner, on-screen comment, 6 on-screen participants. That is the much you can get for free. Brand color, green screen, you can stream anywhere. And of course, you have StreamYard branding. Then of course it has its streaming limits, okay? Just stream up to 20 hours per month for the free plan, right? Then for the basic plan is $20 per month. That is, we're going for annually, but if you're going for monthly, it's $25 per month, right? So for the basic plan, right, you have all the free plans plus there's no branding, unlimited streaming, 10 on-screen participants. You can add your logo, your overlay, background, the custom RTMP. Now, what is custom RTMP means that if you have a website, I want to, once you're live streaming, you want that live stream as well to appear on your website too. You can set it up with this, okay? Then recording, you can record your video if you don't want to live stream up to 4 hours, right? Then multi-stream, you can stream in different destination, 3 different destinations. If you're going for the professional plan, which is $39 per month, billed annually, for monthly is $49 per month, you have access to all the basic, the free plan, plus your recording will be 8 hours per stream. They can stream to 8 destinations. And trust me, the screen resolution will be full HD resolution. I mean, look at the one I'm using on normal streaming. They are streaming at the free one. I mean, it's very clear, better than Zoom, right? Quite better than Zoom. Okay. But so if you imagine if you have a full HD to be perfect, plus individual audio recording. So guys, what do you think about this tool? I would advise you, right? Try it for yourself. You can use it for free. Okay, right? So I'll be dropping the link of this tool on the description section of this box. So you use it and tell me on the comment section what you think about StreamYard, right? Tell me what you think about StreamYard. So that is it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please drop the comments and see you in our next video. Thank you.